Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Misery game for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Misery game, and then click on this Misery game. Scroll down, and here you will see play Misery, play for free until 18th of May 2026. So click on play game button, and here you will see the Misery game, and the file size is 3.61 GB. So click on install. Now go to library, and here you can see that Misery game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download and install Misery game for free on PC via the Steam launcher until 18th of May 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.